Visit us at www.agstech.net. Metal cutting is super important for how we build things. From cars to rockets, we need to shape metal precisely. There are lots of ways to cut metal, each with pros and cons. We use powerful tools to cut through tough materials. These tools let us make complex shapes for different industries. Think about a giant water jet strong enough to cut steel. That's water jet cutting. Or lasers that can slice through metal with incredible accuracy. That's laser cutting. And then there's plasma cutting, using a superheated jet of gas to cut through metal like butter. These methods have changed how we work with metal. Plasma cutting is like lightning in a bottle, harnessed to cut metal. It uses a superheated gas, called plasma, to melt and blow away material. Plasma is created by passing gas through a narrow nozzle with an electrical arc. This turns the gas into plasma, reaching temperatures up to 40,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The superhot plasma jet melts the metal and blows it away, leaving a clean cut. The force of the plasma jet is strong enough to cut through thick metal plates. Plasma cutting is versatile and can cut different shapes and sizes. It's like a hot knife through butter, only the knife is made of superheated gas. Plasma cutting offers several advantages over other cutting methods. It is relatively fast and can cut through thick materials. Plasma cutting is also versatile, capable of cutting various shapes and patterns. It is cost-effective for both small and large-scale projects. Plus, plasma cutting doesn't require flammable gases, making it safer than some other methods. However, plasma cutting does have some limitations. It can produce a wider kerf, the width of the cut, compared to laser cutting. Plasma cutting may not be suitable for materials sensitive to heat. It can also generate fumes and noise, requiring proper ventilation and safety measures. So how does plasma cutting stack up against other cutting methods like water jet and laser cutting? Water jet cutting uses a high-pressure jet of water mixed with abrasives to cut through materials. It's great for delicate materials, but it can be slower than plasma. Laser cutting uses a highly focused laser beam to cut with incredible precision, but it can be more expensive. Plasma cutting shines when you need to cut through thick metals quickly and cost-effectively. It's a workhorse in industries like shipbuilding, construction, and manufacturing. From cutting steel beams for buildings to creating intricate metal signs, plasma cutting is an essential tool for shaping our world. Plasma cutting is a powerful and versatile metal cutting process. It's faster than some methods, more affordable than others, and can handle a variety of materials. While it has its limitations, plasma cutting remains a cornerstone of modern metal fabrication. Check our website for details, www.agstech.net.